I made this fully animatable guitar asset. You can animate this by using shape keys. Each string has 3 types of shape keys, and you can use them to animate the strings, and you can use rotation to animate the tuners and the tuner posts. Here, if we go to top view, you can see it better. If you increase the hold fret values for each fret, if we select the first string, you can see that it goes to a hold position. And you can do this for all the frets, for example, fret 3. As you can see, it goes down. And you can change the fret up and down for making them go up and down for a slightly more realistic look, or just animating them like a guitarist sliding their finger up or down. You can use this vibration shape keys. Actually, we have 21 of these, and one of them is for the full bar, open bar. So you can vibrate the whole string. The rest of them is for frets, like if you want to vibrate this string until fret 5, for example. You can increase or decrease this value to see the effect. And you can download this on Godot's asset store for free. The link will be in the description. And if you want to animate the tuner pegs, you can just select them and rotate them on their Z-axis in Blender, and I believe it's Y in Godot. And you can rotate tuner posts on their local Y-axis in Blender, and it's Z in Godot. The whole model uses 4 4K textures. Let's open up a shader editor. You can see it. One for diffuse or the color, and there's one for normals. If we zoom in, you can see the effect better. There's one for normals. You can see it fakes the bumps and crevices. One for metallic values and one for roughness. If we unplug the roughness and zoom in very, you can see the effect better. Yeah, it is subtle, but it is there. If we unplug the metallic, you can see the strings are not metallic anymore and the tuners. And if you plug it again, you can see the effect. It gets metallic. Let's open Godot and see how it looks in the engine. Here, if we go to Asset Store and search for Acoustic Guitar Fully Animatable, we can find it here, and by clicking on it, we can download it. You can see the download page and just click download. Then we hit install and it will import it, and it installs successfully. If we go to a 3D scene, we can add the acoustic guitar.glb file to the scene by just dragging it here. And you can see the asset. Here, if we click on it, or just selecting it in this tab, we can right click and check mark Editable Children. Then we can see the strings, the tuners, everything. If you click on each string, you can see the blend shapes tab, and by clicking on it, we can expand it and use the sliders to animate the to animate the string. It's all the same. And by selecting the tuner pegs, you can rotate them on their Y-axis for a rotation animation, and tuner posts by rotating them on their local Y-axis. Here you can change the local and global by just clicking on this cube shape here. By rotating them on their local Z-axis, you can see it works. Yeah, this is the asset. Bye for now.